Okay, so now let's take these questions as far as operations on number bases are concerned. We will take after that. I'll try my best to explain it better. Now let's take the first one. Now let me write my question again. We have 5x plus 4 minus 9y plus 3x plus 2y minus 7. Now we have something we call grouping of like terms. Now the ones that look like itself, we'll bring them together. We can see 5x over here. Now if we look through, we have another 3x over here. So we can bring the x's, the one with the x's together. We have 4 here, we have 7 here. They are real numbers. So we can bring the numbers together. And we have 9y and we have 2y here. We can also bring them together. So let's see. Now 5x, we have 3x. Now someone will ask, so as I'm bringing this and that, what sign am I bringing in the middle here? Now, the sign you are bringing in front of any one that we are bringing is the sign in front of the one that you are bringing. Now 5y is here, 5x is here already. Now we are bringing this 3x, and what is in front of the 3x is plus. So that plus will come here. Are we good? Good. Now we brought this and that. Now the 4. So the 4 too has plus in front. So that one will come. So plus 4. Then this is a number. So let's come to the number 7. So minus 7. Left with 9. 9y. Minus 9y. Because the 9 also has minus. So minus 9y. Then plus last one. This one. 2y. You get it? Now let's simplify it. The one that we should add. Now, because this is x, we can add them. So 5x plus 3x. It's like 5 plus 3. Making what? 8. Because the x's we have here are 5. And the x's we have here are 3. So if you add, because they are all x's, we can add them. So 5 plus 3 gives me what? 8x. Now, plus 4 minus 7. I have 4 and I'm owing 7. So when I pay off, I'll still be owing what? 3. Then this one, minus 9 plus 2. Now, don't say 9 plus 2 because the 9, you brought the 9 minus in addition to the y, to the 9y. So when you are bringing it, when you are simplifying it, you have to consider the minus. So minus 9y plus 2y. So you are owing someone 9 and you go and pay 2y. That's the simple explanation I can give. If you are owing 9y, or if you use the number line, you will see that your answer will be what? Minus 7y. Because if you're owing 9 and go and pay 2, you left with what? 7. So this is our final answer. Now, the final answer, we have 8s minus 3 minus 7y. We can see clearly that we cannot do anything to this again because the 8x and the 7y, no, they are letters attached to it, but the letters are not the same. X is different from y, so we can't do anything to it. So we leave it like that. Are we good? Let's take our second example. So example 2. We have 4x plus 2y plus 3x plus 5y. Now you can see clearly that we have x and we have y. So let's bring them together. That's the first step. So I bring my 4x here, and then I look through. Which one is x again? This one. But it has plus in front of it. So I'll bring plus 3x. Now I'm bringing the y's. This one is first. It has plus. So plus 2y. And I bring the 5y. So plus 5y. Are we good? Now let's simplify. 4x plus 3x. They are all x. So we can add them. So that is what? 7x. Plus then 2y plus 5y will give me what? 7y. Now with this, I can't do anything to it again. Because 7x's and y's is like Gary and mangoes. If you bring them together, it won't work. So we just leave them like that. Or Gary and sugar. You understand? Though if you mix them, it will be okay. But when you mix them, you still see the sugar particles in it. It will not make the Gary completely. Unless probably maybe you add water or something. Okay. So now let's take the example 3. So we have 2p minus 3q plus 3p plus 5q. Now, you see, one thing we have to take note is our negative and our positive. It's very, very important as far as this is concerned. So now, we write my 2p, then I look through, I have another p here. So plus 3p. Then I come to the q, so minus 3q. Because the minus is in front of the 3q. Then I come to the last one, plus 5q. Plus 5q. Now 2p plus 3p gives me what? 5p, because they are all p, we can add them. Minus 3q plus 5q. If you are owing 3 and you have 5, you are owing someone 3, and you have 5 of the kills to go and pay, you go and pay and let it 2 in addition. So you light plus what 2 kill. That is all. So simple like that. So simple like that. Now let's go to the fourth one. We have 4x squared y plus 5xy squared plus 3x squared y minus 2xy squared. Now someone will say that, oh, this one we can add everything, they are all xy, sy, but they are all not xy, xy, sy. This one, the square is with the x, and this one the square with the y. So they are two different things altogether. So let's group them, we will know what I mean. So this one is 4x squared y. This is 5xy squared, but this 3x squared y. So this and this will move. Then this and this is also move. So we are going to get 4x squared plus 3xy squared because of the sign in front of the 3x squared. 3x squared y. Sorry, 3x squared y. Now we come to it plus 5xy squared minus 2xy squared, like that. Then after that, we add this one. It can be added because they are all s squared y, s squared y. They are all s squared y, s squared y. So we will get 7 s squared y, then plus this one will give me 3xy squared. As simple like that. As simple like that. Then let's take the fifth one. So s squared plus s plus 2x squared. Now you can see all x's, but they are not the same. This one is s squared and this one is x. So they are two different things. You can't add them. You add only the one with the squares. Now we have 2 of the s squares over here, and we have 1 of the s square over here. So we're going to get s squared plus 2s squared plus x. So s squared plus 2s squared will give me what? 3s squared. Then you add my x to. So let's look at multiplication and division too, as far as the operations are concerned. Now let's take these 4 questions. 2 under multiplication and 2 under division. Now it is so simple. Now you see, when we are multiplying a times b, we bring the a and b together, right? We are about to use the same method over here. Okay. Now we will add a little bit of indices to it. Now with the first one says 4p times 8p squared. Now what do we have to do first? We have to multiply the numbers. 4 times 8 gives me 32. Now p times p squared. You see, when we are doing the addition, we had something like this, s plus s squared. And I said we can't add. Yes, we can't add, but we can multiply. When we are multiplying this, it will be okay. So p times p squared, we will multiply them. So you see, this one has an invisible power of 1, right? And indices says that when they are multiplying, we add the powers. So since we are multiplying p and p, we can add the powers. So we get p to the power what? 3. The next one says 15xy squared times 4x to the power 4 y to the power 3. Now let's start with the numbers. The numbers 15 times 4 will give me 60. So you're right, you're 60. Then we go to x times x raised to the power 4. The x has an invisible power of 1, and it's multiplying another x. So when they are multiplying, we add the powers. So we'll get x raised to the power 4 plus this power of 1, making 5. So we get x to the power 5. The same thing to the y. This y has 2, this y has 3. So you have y to the power what? 5. You add the powers. That is all for the second one. Now with the division, you see division are written like this, 10 over 5, like this, in the form of a fraction. So with this one, it says 16a 3b squared divided by 2ab. Now the best thing is that we write it in the form of a fraction. So we will get 16a to the power 3, b to the power 2 over 2ab. Are we good? Now we are cancelling. We cancel the numbers. 2 goes here 1, it goes here 8 times, right? Now the a, when you see the indices, when we are multiplying, what do? We add the powers. But when we are dividing, we subtract, right? So a raised to the power 3 divided by a. This a means a 3 times over here. So I can cancel one of the a's with this, right? It's the same as subtraction. Like the power of 3 subtracting the power of 1 here. So we'll get A cancel here 1, it cancel here a to the power 2 because I subtracted 1. Then b also cancel here 1, it cancel here b. So our final answer will be 8a square b. Are we good? Now the other one, the last one, we have 15y cube divided by 3y square. Now, so we have 15y cube over 3y square. We will cancel. 3 goes here 1, it goes in the 15 5 times. 5. Now, the y square cube and y square, the powers, because they are dividing, we subtract. So y2 goes here 1, it goes here y, because when you cancel the power of 3 minus the power of 2, you get just 1 y. So you get y. So that is all. That is all. It's so simple like that. So simple like that. I would like you to try this for me in addition to the addition and subtraction. So try 20y square p divided by 4p, and also we have 60 kmy divided by 10y square. Good. Yes, this one is good. I like this question. Then the last one, you can try this 15y to the power 15y divided by 5y cube. Yes, I think this question is good. So try this 3 for me. Now, operation of algebraic expression, I want you to simplify these ones for me. So I have the, please kindly solve them. Try it on your own. After you are done, let me know. Then we take it from there. Okay, so try them and also send it to my WhatsApp number. I am busy, but I'll try my best to check it out for you. So thank you very much for watching this. Let's go.